Power flow bagger instructions. Homeowners with large lawns to mow use tractor riding mowers, such as the John Deere tractor, to keep their yards looking neat. Tractor riding mowers have a keyed ignition electric starter, steering wheel, cushioned seats and welded steel frames. A power flow bagger attachment is installed on a tractor mower near the mower blades. The bagger is used to collect grass clippings for ease of disposal. During the autumn months, you can use a riding tractor mower with a bagger attachment to collect leaves. Things you'll need: Tractor Owner's Manual, Socket Wrench Set, Torque Wrench, Large Flathead Screwdriver, File, Masking Tape, Plastic Zip Tie, Scissors, M8 hex cap screws, heavy leather work gloves, multi-purpose grease. Remove the wheel anchor weight and rear frame suitcase weights if they are installed on your tractor. Install the front ballast according to your tractor's owner manual instructions. Put on heavy leather work gloves to protect your hands from the mower blades. Remove the mulching insert, mulching blade cover plates and the mulching blades if you have them installed. Leave the front lip sections of the mulch kit where they are. Reinstall the blades that came with the tractor mower at this time if you had replaced them with mulching blades. Remove the mower blade deck, which is the blade guard on the lower part of the tractor. Remove the two adjacent cap screws located on the top of the deck with a socket wrench. Remove the side cap screw in the right deck shield. Prop a wooden block between the right mower blade and the deck to stop the blade from moving. Tighten the blade bolt to 95 foot-pounds with a torque wrench to safely secure the right mower blade. Unhook the spring of the mower belt. Remove the mower belt. Remove the belt pulley nut with a socket wrench and lift off the pulley wheel. Line up the hexagon-shaped hole of the provided double-sheave pulley wheel. Insert the belt pulley nut. Reinstall the mower belt. Tighten the pulley wheel nut to 120 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. Loosen the blade bolt and tighten it to 42 foot-pounds with the torque wrench. Insert a large flathead screwdriver into the circular disc located in the right deck shield and pry it out. Remove burrs or rough edges that might be on the disc with a file. Install the new deck shield onto the right deck with the flange cap screw. Tighten the cap screw with your fingers. Tilt the mower deflector up and tape it to the mower with masking tape. Insert the rear bracket onto the right deck. Secure it with the two provided carriage bolts and lock nuts, tightening them with the socket wrench. Slip the power flow bagger spring onto the belt shield support with the spring's leg positioned on the top of the belt shield. Attach the wire support assembly to the belt shield with a plastic zip tie. Trim the end of the zip tie. Place a belt shield assembly onto the right deck. Secure it in place with the two supplied flange cap screws. Tighten the screws with the socket wrench. Park the vehicle on a level surface and engage the park brake. Disengage the power take-off, turn off the engine and remove the ignition key. Pull out the lock pin of the bagger support post. Hold the support post against the rear frame and align the pinholes of the post with the frame. Release the pin into the hole. Push the tractor seat up on its hinges. Install the hopper top onto the support post under the tractor seat. Insert two supplied M8 cap screws into the hopper top and support post screw holes and tighten them to secure it. Place a spring washer and a lock nut over each end of the cap screws. Tighten the lock nuts with a socket wrench. Insert the bottom latch rod hook into the post hole. Attach the upper latch rod with M8 cap screws by inserting them through the hole in the latch rod and post hole. Place flat washers and lock nuts on their ends and tighten them with a socket wrench. Insert the hopper screen into the hopper top and secure it with 3 plastic zip ties. Trim off the ends of the zip ties. Set the right and left bags onto the mounting bracket and bend the tab located on the bottom of the bag brace arm to make the tops of the bags level with the bracket. Stretch the rubber hold-down device over the latch rod to secure it. Release the tension mechanism of the power flow bagger by tugging on the loop of the power flow belt until the blower assembly lever rests on the blower housing. Remove the bolt and nut of the front right gauge wheel. Remove the wheel from the mower deck. Lubricate the mounting pin with multi-purpose grease. Move the belt loop over to the double belt pulley. Slip it under the belt shield. Turn the front bracket out. Insert the mounting pin into the bracket hole and push down on the unit until the power flow bagger sits snugly against the deck. Insert the front bracket onto the welded bracket of the tractor and push it in until the bracket clamp latches shut. Pull up the belt shield. Loop the power flow belt onto the top groove of the double belt pulley. Tighten the belt by pulling the belt lever back. Remove the masking tape and lower the mower deflector shield. Reinstall the front right gauge wheel. Place the chute into the top hopper opening and position it over the discharge chute. Attach the chute latch to the blower assembly lever. Adjust the rear gauge wheels until they touch the ground. Tips warnings. Wear heavy work gloves whenever handling mower blades to protect your hands from their sharp edges.